Good afternoon, guys. It's Austin at Hunt Ford Chrysler in Franklin, Kentucky, and I've got some 2020 Ford Expeditions to show you. They've changed some stuff on the 2020 Expeditions. They've changed colors, and the neat thing about these two Expeditions, they have brought back the King Ranch trim level. When Ford came out with these new body styles, they neglected to bring out the King Ranch trim, but in 2020, which are these models right here, they have brought it back. There's two new colors as well. This is Rapid Red. This has replaced Ruby Red. So it might be hard to see from right here. The Ruby Red was a little bit more burgundy. This Rapid Red, I think, is a little bit more strawberry colored. Still has the metallic fleck in it. Just a little bit of an update from Ford. On the other end of the spectrum, we've got the white. Now this is the premium color white. It used to be white platinum metallic. Now we've got star white metallic. So this is a King Ranch as well. So we've got the white and the red. Both of these are Maxes. Both of these are pretty well kitted out. The King Ranch, sometimes people confuse where the King Ranch really comes in the hierarchy of trim levels. The King Ranch is pretty much the best of the best. You can go one click higher up to the platinum, but the King Ranch has pretty much got all the bells and whistles. You know, this is going to come with the power deployable running boards, the standard 22-inch wheel, the nice Del Rio leather. I believe both of these have got the sunroofs as well. Really good looking. I'm going to open up the inside of these and let you take a little bit closer look at them. This isn't going to be a super long video. Kind of want to let you to take a peek and see. These Expedition sticker for about $81,000. There's not a whole lot of stuff you can add to the King Ranch. Looks good and smells great. We've got both of these Expeditions here and for sale. We've actually got a lot of Expeditions. Just kind of wanted to let you take a peek at these King Ranches. So if y'all have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. I'll put my 1-800 number down here on the bottom where you can reach me directly. Remember, we're the home of no dealer fees and no dock fees. We are right off I-65, right off exit 6. Appreciate your time and hope y'all have a great day.